Hello everybody, Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's the Whirlpool washing machine and what goes in what compartment. I don't know about you, but I'm always forgetting what goes in what compartment. Right, let's get cracking. This is the Whirlpool washing machine here, and what I'll do is I'll take you through what each compartment does, and then we'll actually remove the dispenser drawer and give it a good clean. Now if you use these pods which go straight inside the washing machine drum, you don't have to actually worry about what goes in the dispenser drawer. The dispenser detergent drawer is up here on the top left hand side, so let's just pull it out gently. In here you've got 3 different compartments, and compartment number 2, the first compartment, is where you put your main washing detergent. Now this can be liquid or powder, but I actually prefer to use liquid, and depending on how much laundry you've got depends how much liquid you actually put in here, but generally it's between 30 to 75 millilitres. And the middle compartment here is where you put your fabric softener or any additives or fragrances, starch or brighteners, etc. Now it's very important you don't go above the maximum level mark. Otherwise that can overflow and stain your clothes with this fabric softener. Anything placed in here will be put into the wash near the end of the washing cycle, before the final rinse. This final compartment is the pre-wash compartment. This is where you put any detergents for your pre-wash. Now if your Whirlpool washing machine has a pre-wash function, this basically does a pre-wash before the main wash for any heavily soiled items. So for instance, if you've lent your boxer shorts to Chewbacca, they might come back a bit heavily soiled. And you might want to do a pre-wash function. Okay, let's just put the dispenser drawer back in, and now let's actually remove the dispenser drawer to give it a good clean. Now what you do is pull it out as far as it will go, and then just push down on this button here, and that releases a small clip, and then you're able to remove the dispenser drawer. And what you want to do is you also want to give this inside a really good clean, but just be careful if you use a toothbrush not to drop it down that hole. Now I find the best thing for cleaning the washing machine is to use your partner's toothbrush.
Lurgs, have you been using my toothbrush for cleaning the washing machine again?
No. So take your partner's toothbrush and just give the dispenser drawer a really good clean. Get rid of any mould or gunk. Now this fabric level indicator does actually remove to give you better access. Also inside the dispenser drawer area you can use your toothbrush in here, and this is what it should look like after you've finished. To put the dispenser drawer back in, just line it up with the grooves, and you may have to push that button down just to slide it all the way home. And then I definitely recommend after every 30 washing cycles running a hygienically fresh washing program, and there's a link above now about how to do that. Just a quick tip, after you've done a wash, make sure you leave the dispenser drawer slightly ajar and the washing machine door slightly ajar, just to give it a bit of ventilation and stop it smelling. And now the little hand says it's time for tea. Tea! Tea! If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.